What if I told you that one object, one silent visitor, has just defied every law of physics we know? An object traveling from deep interstellar space that suddenly began accelerating. Not because of gravity, but because something inside it might be pushing it. Tonight, we dive into what scientists are calling the most disturbing discovery since Oumuamua, the mystery of 3I/Atlas, and what Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb just confirmed might change how humanity views itself in the universe. Take a deep breath, because this story gets darker the deeper you go. The calculations are in, and they're absolutely stunning. After confirmation that 3I/Atlas is accelerating in ways gravity cannot explain, Avi Loeb and his team ran the numbers, and what they found breaks the laws of momentum conservation itself. If this were a normal comet, it should have lost 1/6 of its entire mass, billions of tons of ice and dust, in just a single month after passing near the sun. But here's the problem: we're not seeing that. There's no massive gas cloud, no trail of debris, no cometary signature. It's like watching a rocket accelerate without seeing any exhaust. Then came the breakthrough. On October 29, 2025, the Atacama Large Millimeter Array, one of Earth's most precise radio telescope networks, detected Atlas 4 arcseconds away from where it should have been. That's a deviation no natural force could cause. Something or someone is influencing this object's path. Loeb immediately applied physics to the data. If this were natural cometary ejection, Atlas should have lost over 5.5 billion tons of material, forming a visible cloud brighter than any known comet. But every major telescope on Earth saw nothing. This missing mass has become the single biggest red flag in modern astronomy. NASA's Webb telescope measured a loss rate of just 150 kilograms per second, nowhere near what's needed to cause such an acceleration. That led Loeb to calculate Atlas's total mass at around 33 billion tons. Yet the expected 5.5 billion ton vapor trail is simply gone. It's as if something replaced cometary evaporation with intelligent propulsion. And now, the world is preparing for the moment of truth. Between November 27, 2025 and January 27, 2026, hundreds of ground-based telescopes, plus Hubble and Webb, will point directly at 3I/Atlas. Because on December 19th, it will pass just 269 million kilometers from Earth, our best chance ever to see what this object truly is. If we detect the missing gas cloud, the comet theory lives. But if we don't, then 3I/Atlas may be the first confirmed technological object from another civilization, operating right now inside our solar system. This isn't the first time something like this happened. Back in 2017, the first interstellar object, Oumuamua, also accelerated without showing any sign of gas or dust. Astronomers called it a dark comet. But Loeb argues that's like calling a cell phone a rare stone. You can't explain advanced design with old vocabulary. And Atlas? It's acting even stranger than Oumuamua ever did. Loeb's team documented 9 separate anomalies that defy explanation. Atlas arrived perfectly aligned within 5 degrees of the ecliptic plane, the same plane where every planet orbits. For something coming from interstellar space, that's nearly impossible. Instead of ejecting gas away from the sun, Atlas's jet points toward it, the cosmic equivalent of water flowing uphill. Its brightness suggests a small object, but its acceleration indicates a massive one. It entered the solar system exactly when its path would align with Earth, Venus, and Mercury. A cosmic coincidence too precise to be random. Spectral data reveals a metal-rich composition, closer to manufactured alloys than natural comet dust. Atlas shows no trace of water ice, yet it's supposed to be a comet. Light bouncing off Atlas doesn't match any known natural surface. Its incoming trajectory aligns eerily close to the region of sky where the famous 1977 "wow" signal originated. Instead of dimming or reddening near the sun, Atlas is getting brighter and bluer, as if powered by energy, not losing it. Every one of these anomalies chips away at the natural object theory. If this object is accelerating without gas emission, if it's emitting metallic spectral lines, if it's aligning with the wow signal origin, then we may be witnessing a craft, not a comet. Avi Loeb himself said, "If we do not see a gas cloud around Atlas in December, then the only explanation left is a technological one. That would mean, for the first time, humanity has directly observed active extraterrestrial technology in motion. Not in a radio signal, not in ancient ruins, but in real time. In just weeks, the world's telescopes will lock onto Atlas. Astronomers, governments, defense agencies, everyone will be watching. If the expected gas is missing, the headlines will explode, because that would make 3I/Atlas the first verified alien probe ever detected. And if that happens, every question we've ever asked about who we are and who else is out there will change forever. So remember this date, December 19th, 2025. That's when truth and fiction will finally collide. Maybe Atlas is natural, a comet breaking every rule of physics. Or maybe it's not a comet at all. Maybe it's the first sign that we're not alone. Until then, keep your eyes on the sky, stay curious, and if the story disappears from the headlines too fast, ask yourself why. Because sometimes, the silence from space isn't natural.